Everdeen, and I love to crochet, so much so that I share free crochet tutorials right here on my channel. So if you're interested in learning how to crochet, want some beginner-friendly crochet tutorials, or if you already know how to crochet and you want some crochet inspiration on how to make a top or other crochet projects, go ahead and visit my crochet playlist on my channel and scroll through all of the projects that I have tutorials for and find something new and fun that you want to try out. Also, have fun crocheting! Now, normally I do share tutorials on my channel, but for today's video, I'm actually going to show you how I style some of the tops that I have. Now, you may notice that I do have a lot of projects and tutorials on my channel, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I still have those. I am quite notorious for not keeping all the projects that I made, but I do have a few. So I'm going to go ahead and style a few of them for you today and have a little bit of fun. Woo! Alrighty then, let's get started. Lately, I've really been inspired by 70s fashion, and what was really trendy in the 70s? Why, it happens to be crochet tops. I know, isn't that funny? So for this outfit, I decided to break out some of my bell bottoms and pair it with this boho style crochet top that I crocheted years and years ago, I think like in 2015, and I think that it paired really well. It looks very groovy, if I do say so myself. So it is this cream colored crochet top along with these brown bell bottom pants, and to finish off the outfit, I added a pair of tan booties that I also thrifted, and that is this entire neutral colored boho slash 70s inspired outfit. Again, really cute, and I do really love the 70s vibes. So for the second outfit, I also incorporated some bell-bottom pants. I got these plain black bell-bottom pants from Forever 21 a couple of years ago, and I paired it with some white booties and my spiderweb crochet top. I really like this crochet top for the fall time slash for the spooky season because the pattern looks like a spiderweb, hence why I called it the spiderweb crochet top. And I think it's perfect for October because where I live, October is not even that cold. It's actually pretty warm still. So an outfit like this won't leave me freezing. So I'm able to rock my crochet top with some comfy bell-bottom pants, some booties, and look fit for the season. But for those of you who still want those summer vibes, I do have this outfit paired with my rainbow crochet top that I made a couple months ago. I added this pair of high-waisted shorts that I thrifted a couple years ago, along with my rainbow crew socks and my chunky Fila sneakers that surprisingly I also thrifted not too long ago. I know, isn't that crazy? But anywho, I really like this outfit. It's very spring and summery and just really fun and colorful. Because as much as I love the two outfits that I showed you previously, those are more of like neutral colors, which again, I would totally wear those outfits. However, I do normally find myself wearing more color, so this outfit actually brings me a lot more joy just because there's so many colors to it. It's a rainbow top, so it's got all of the colors of the rainbow. And I forgot to mention earlier that I do have tutorials for most of these tops, so if you would like to search for the tutorials on these, you could go under my crochet playlist and search for them. For my last outfit, I wanted to incorporate everyone's favorite crochet project of mine, my yellow crochet cardigan that I recently shared a tutorial for just a couple of months ago. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It was my very first time crocheting a cardigan like this, and I love it. So for this outfit, I paired it with a plain white tank top, a yellow tennis skirt, and some chunky blue sandals, and finally accessorized with my blue Winnie the Pooh crossbody bag. I love this outfit so much. It makes me so happy and like a ray of sunshine. But yeah, those were all of my outfits that I wanted to share with you, styling the handmade crochet tops that I've made. Again, if you want to watch any of the tutorials on how to make the crochet tops, visit my crochet playlist on my channel and you'll find so many free crochet tutorials for you, ranging from beginner friendly to more advanced. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you found it either interesting, entertaining, or helpful, please give it a big thumbs up before you go. And also, don't forget to click click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.
These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.